Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can get Airtable API key. Now to find your Airtable API key, now deprecated and replaced by personal access token, you just want to navigate through the developer hub within your Airtable account and create a new token. You can access the developer hub from your account page by clicking on your profile icon and selecting developer hub. Once there, you can create new token and configure its access scopes and permissions. Or you can then go ahead and use the authentication guide by Airtable right here. Airtable's API uses token-based authentication, allowing users to authenticate API requests by inputting their tokens into the HTTPS authorization bearer token header. So for example, we have this one right here. Now, all API requests must be authenticated and made through HTTPS. Passing personal access tokens and OAuth access tokens via the legacy API key URL parameter is not supported. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.